Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and it's Friday the 13th of August. And today we're doing black wedding dresses. J Dolls UK and I are hosting a challenge that we put out to anybody in YouTube land that wanted to participate, showing their dolls in a black wedding dress. You do not have to make that. You can make it up by grabbing a black dress, throwing a veil on it, or however you want to do that. I had other plans for today, but things happen in life and sometimes you just can't do it or you just didn't get the time. I kind of ran out on both. But I do want to show you the wedding dress that I came up with that was going to be for Gothia that Vicki will be showing. Vicki is my mannequin Blythe doll. This is the doll I keep in when I'm sewing so I can try things on. I'm using her today because she has short hair and I want you to see her bustle. And here's her Dolls Gone Goth beads for her veil, but we're going to take that off so I can show you some other things about her wedding dress. Oh, her hair's a mess. Sorry, sweetheart. Look at the cute little flowers that Darren made on the 3D printer. I just love those. I have a hook in the back of her dress, and I have two equal sides. Where's the other one? Black on black on black, where I hooked in embroidery thread. And that's actually, as I understand it, kind of how they do actual wedding dresses. That's called the American bustle. So that the bride can have her train going down the aisle, but at her reception, wait a minute, let me grab that doll just right. Her maid of honor is the person that is supposed to do this, and that is hook her dress before she goes into the dance floor, so that this is up off. There it is. Let me hook that. Up off the floor where she can dance, and the groom, she and the groom are not stepping on the dress. I'm pleased with it. It turned out okay. Like I said, it's not exactly what I had in mind, but I do love the bustle. Let me turn it around and show it one more time. I think it turned out right. I'm pleased. My husband told me between scenes, he's my biggest fan. Don't tell them what you were going to do. They don't know. Just show them this. Don't be so hard on yourself. There are so many ways that a black wedding dress can be made. And it doesn't even have to be all black. You're going to see so many different ways if you follow our link, Dolls Gone Goth Wedding, and take a look, especially at J Dolls UK and all of the other people that have participated in our challenge today. And I'm going to tell you right now, thank you for taking the time out of your lives to participate. It really means a lot. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.